Have you ever wondered exactly what HighLevel's $97, $297, and $497 per month plans include and whether they're truly worth the cost? It's no secret that HighLevel has quickly become one of the most popular digital marketing tools out there, for good reason, letting you manage your CRM and email and social media and client billing all in one place. But with 3 plans to choose from, finding the right fit can be confusing. That's why in this quick video, I'm going to break down what each plan offers, when it's best to upgrade, and how to avoid paying for features you may not actually need. And if you stick around, I'll also share an exclusive free offer with bonuses to help you get started strong with HighLevel right from day one. But first, if you're brand new to HighLevel, or just in case you're researching HighLevel for the very first time, let me give you a quick overview of what exactly this magical money-making software is and how it works. HighLevel, also sometimes referred to as GoHighLevel, is an all-in-one marketing and sales powerhouse. Whether you're running a digital marketing agency, starting one, or even managing a different type of business, this software is a complete game changer, which is why I've been using it since 2019 for thousands of clients across all kinds of different businesses, markets, and industries. Essentially, HighLevel lets you handle all of your marketing from one convenient platform, talking about automation and CRM and email and social media and websites and so much more, all in one place. I like to think of HighLevel as the Swiss Army knife for your business and your marketing. It's got all the essentials that you need in one sleek package. So instead of juggling and fumbling around with all kinds of different apps or paying for all kinds of different services, with HighLevel, you've got everything you need right here. It's kind of like having a full business tool pocket that fits right in your pocket. Well, on your phone anyway. If you're trying to fit a laptop in there, you're gonna need some bigger pants. Do you want to send out appointment reminders? Done. Need to build a website? Easy. Looking to follow up with leads automatically? Well, the automations can handle all of that for you. Whether you're in marketing or running any other business, HighLevel makes managing and growing your business as easy as clicking a button. It's a huge time saver, a big moneymaker, and no matter what plan that you choose, it offers incredible value. So, with that said, let's dive into the 3 core plans and the pricing now. HighLevel offers 3 main plans to choose from. There's the starter plan, which is $97 per month, the unlimited plan, which is $297 per month, and the SaaS Pro plan, which is $497 per month. But let's start by breaking down the starter plan first. The starter plan is perfect for small business owners and solo entrepreneurs and maybe even small agencies just getting started. It provides essential tools to kickstart your marketing journey with features like a CRM and marketing automations, and social media and websites, and allows you to efficiently manage leads and clients. This plan allows you to manage up to 3 sub-accounts. It's packed with essentials like sales funnels, and websites, and SMS marketing, and a mobile app, and it allows you to effortlessly switch between accounts without multiple logins. Ultimately, for just $97 per month, you're getting serious value. Again, CRM, email marketing, SMS, automation, and a website builder all in one affordable plan. So if you're a small business or you're just getting started, then this is a great place to start. Okay, next, let's talk about the unlimited plan. The unlimited plan is perfect for growing businesses and marketing agencies. It offers advanced functionalities, including unlimited sub-accounts, a branded web app, and phone and email rebilling. The plan is designed to scale your operations and deliver more robust client services. The unlimited plan includes everything in the starter plan, plus unlimited sub-accounts, so you can manage as many clients as you want without any additional costs, and white labeling, so you can customize the software with your own domain and your custom branding, making it look like it's entirely your software when clients log in. If you're an agency who's signed up your first client on the $97 plan and are ready to add more clients, well, it's time to upgrade to the $297 per month unlimited plan. Because with unlimited sub-accounts, you can add and bring on as many clients as you like and still pay that flat fee of $297 per month. Imagine having 100 clients, each paying you $1,000 per month. Well, that's $100,000 per month in revenue, and still, your software costs stay the same. Now, both the $97 and the $297 plans come with a 14-day free trial, but I've got an exclusive link down in the descriptions below that is going to double this, giving you a free 30-day trial to the software, plus with the $297 plan, you get a designated account rep to help you get everything set up. There's also a bunch of other bonuses I've included down below as well, but we'll talk more about that in a minute, because next we got to talk about the SaaS Pro plan. The SaaS Pro plan was designed for people and agencies looking to build their own software platform. It allows you to bill clients for phone, and email, and text, and AI services with markup. This feature enables agencies to create additional revenue by charging customers for the use of certain services at a premium. The SaaS Pro plan includes everything in the Agency Unlimited plan plus automated client account creation, so clients can sign up directly through your website and their accounts are created automatically. It also allows you to resell services, so you can charge for email and SMS messaging, adding a new revenue stream. And it has full SaaS capabilities, which allows you to create a seamless sign-up experience for your clients, just like a traditional SaaS company. With the SaaS Pro plan, you can automate the entire client onboarding process. Now, how it works is that clients sign up through your branded website. They enter their payment info, and then they receive their login details, all without you lifting a single finger. This plan saves you time and allows you to focus on scaling your business instead of managing client setups manually. One of the biggest questions I get though is, what's the difference between the $297 Unlimited plan and the $497 SaaS Pro plan? So let's talk about that now. With the $297 Unlimited plan, you need to manually set up each client account. Now, this can be a bit time-consuming, taking around 15 to 20 minutes per account, and might even require hiring virtual assistants if you're looking to scale quickly. Now, with the $497 SaaS Pro plan, this process is fully automated. So instead of setting up each account yourself, clients can sign up directly through your website, enter their payment information, and receive instant access. This not only saves you time, but also streamlines your operations, making it far easier to manage as your client list grows. The $497 SaaS Pro plan also allows you to turn your agency into a software business, allowing you to offer your very own software as a service, but without building anything from scratch. And you can also add a markup to services like SMS or email, allowing you to earn extra revenue on top of your monthly fees. There's another optional upgrade that's available as well, which is the HighLevel mobile app, an additional $497 per month on top of any plan. Now, what this allows you to do is have a branded mobile app that anyone can download and shows your name and your logo. Now, the big question here though is whether or not this additional cost is worth it. So here's my advice. If you're just getting started with your agency, then I'd say to hold off for now. But as you scale, and if you've ever built a software business, well then you know that hiring developers can cost tens of thousands of dollars, often a lot more than that. But with this add-on, you get a ready-to-go HighLevel mobile app for just $497 per month. There's no coding required. That said, if the HighLevel mobile app isn't in your budget yet, HighLevel does offer a gray label option through their lead connector app, which is free to use and won't display the HighLevel branding. Okay, next, let me go over a few of the more frequently asked questions that I get, starting with, do I need both the $297 and $497 plans for SaaS mode? And the answer is no, you only need one. The $497 plan is an upgrade from the $297 plan. So if you go with the $497 SaaS Pro plan, it replaces the $297 plan, saving you from paying for both. Okay, next question. Can I switch between plans later? And the answer to that is yes. It's incredibly flexible. You can start with a $97 plan, then upgrade to the $297 or $497 as your business grows, and if the higher plan doesn't fit your needs, you can downgrade at any time. And finally, tell me one more time, what's the difference between the $297 and $497 plans? Well, as we already covered, there are a few key differences, but the biggest difference to me is that the $297 plan requires manual setup for new clients, while the $497 plan automates client signups, saving you a ton of time. The $497 plan also allows you to add a markup on services like SMS and email, adding another revenue stream. So, the only question that remains then is which plan is right for you. So, here's my recommendation. If you're a small business owner or a solo entrepreneur, then the starter plan at $97 a month is a solid choice, as it's got all of the essentials, the CRM, the marketing automations, all of that, so you can manage leads and clients without breaking the bank. This is perfect for getting your marketing efforts started, off the ground, and running pretty smoothly. Now, if you're running a growing business or a marketing agency, I highly recommend the Unlimited plan at $297 a month. This plan steps things up with advanced features like unlimited sub-accounts and white labeling, so you can manage more clients and put your brand front and center. It's built to help you scale without any headaches. And for those looking to go all in on the SaaS game, well, then the SaaS Pro plan at $497 a month is the way to go. This plan lets you build clients for phone and email and text and AI services with markup options. It's kind of like having your very own SaaS platform, allowing you to create an extra revenue stream by charging clients for premium services. So, if you're interested in getting started with HighLevel, I've got an exclusive 30-day extended free trial link in the descriptions below this video. This special link doesn't just get you access to the software, but you're also going to unlock my entire proven marketing system that I've built inside HighLevel. that includes templates and courses and training, and a ton of support like free account setups and private calls and a private community to help you hit the ground running. Plus, I'll throw in some exclusive bonuses like my 10K agency blueprint, lead gen playbooks, and weekly business coaching, and complete marketing campaigns, one-on-one setups, and so much more. And all you need to do to get immediate access to all of that and so much more is just click the link down in the descriptions below, sign up for your free trial, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside.